welcome back. And ngayong Holy Week, and as we are facing maybe one of the hardest na crisis na kinakalaban natin ngayon, no? Um, let's reflect at the most human moment of Jesus on the cross when he cried out, my God, why have you forsaken me?" Alam nyo, ayaw ko sanang gawin to, no? It's just that hindi naman ako pastor or religious group leader, no? And like even last week, I didn't post anything. Well, we went to Orlando also, but I still have time during the weekend. Kaya lang, parang wala sa loob ko mag-post last week, no? It's just like hearing the news from this crisis that we're all going through. Parang medyo mabigat yung pakiramdam ko during the weekend. But now it's the Holy Week, and I was thinking maybe kung sino man makapanood nito, no, maybe it could help. So that's why I'm trying to focus on this part of Jesus Christ's 7 last words, okay? When he cried, God, my God, why have you forsaken me? Okay? Because this cry isn't just a sign of pain, okay? It's like a sign of a bridge to every person who has ever felt abandoned by heaven, okay? This was written in the book of Mark, chapter 15, verse 34, okay? And he was like entering into the very heart of our darkness, no? So if you are doubting today, no, kasi ang gulo-gulo nga ng mundo, and that's why I decided this topic, no? If you are doubting today, don't be afraid, okay? Many of us try to hide our doubts, thinking they are a sign of weakness, okay? But admitting unbelief, okay, mixed with your faith is the first step toward a deeper relationship with God, okay? I don't believe that God is asking for our perfect hearts, okay? He will accept yung puso nating tapat kahit sugatan, broken, and naguguluhan, okay? Saint John of the Cross taught us that the silence of God is not the absence of God. Okay? Minsan, God is silent because He is doing something so deep in our souls that words cannot explain it. Okay? There's this, I've read this in the book of Psalms, 34 verse 18, okay? The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. So yun, no? Even when you don't feel Him, okay, He is there. Sa gitna ng iyong pagdududa, He is holding you, okay? Jesus felt forsaken so that you would never truly have to be. Okay? Kasi Jesus Christ knows, okay? He knew that He will suffer and die for our sins, for the sins of man, di ba? Yun yung plano sa Kanya, and He knows it. That's why God may have been silent already, di ba? Kasi yun na yung plano sa Kanya eh. And Jesus Christ knows it, di ba? And he still felt that he was forsaken. Alam niya na dadaan siya dun sa paghihirap na yun, and he still felt forsaken. Paano pa tayo that we don't know what His plans for us? Diba? Hindi natin alam. Paano pa tayo na hindi natin alam? Mas we feel more forsaken, diba? Kasi hindi naman natin alam eh. So all we can do is have faith. Okay? That He is holding our hands sa lahat ng pagsubok, and pray that pagdasal na lang natin that He reveals His plan along the way, okay? So we can better understand kung ano yung nangyayari, okay? So sa mga nakikinig na dumadaan sa sariling dark night nyo, no? Kapit lang, okay? I'm sure your questions are heard. I'm sure your tears are seen. And most importantly, your doubt is not the end of your story. Know that God has your best interest at heart, and believe that His plans are higher than our own. Okay? Wishing you all a meaningful and reflective Holy Week. Thank you for watching Shattered Compass.
Solace, this long dark night is where faith grows.